Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn about the animals that look alike in the world. Number 1. Rabbit and hare. Number 2. Frog and toad. Number 3. Crow and raven. Number 4. Seal and sea lion. Number 5. Butterfly and moth. Number 6. Bee and wasp. Number 7. Llama and alpaca. Number 8. Alligator and crocodile. Number 9. Turtle and tortoise. Number 10. Buffalo and bison. Number 11. Dolphin and porpoise. Number 12. Cheetah and leopard. Number 13. King cobra and cobra. Number 14. Red fox and gray fox. Number 15. Ocelot and margay. Number 16. Black rat snake and eastern copperhead snake. Number 17. Asian elephant and African elephant. Number 18. African lion and cougar. Number 19. Eastern chipmunk and ground squirrel. Number 20. Green anole and brown anole. Number 21. Red-tailed hawk and Swainson's hawk. Number 22. Bearded dragon and frilled dragon. Number 23. Peregrine falcon and Merlin falcon. Number 24. Red-eyed tree frog and green tree frog. Number 25. Carpenter bee and bumblebee. Number 26. Red panda and raccoon. Number 27. Black rhinoceros and white rhinoceros. Number 28. Common lizard and sand lizard. Number 29. Zebra and okapi. Number 30. Echinda and porcupine. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.